What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I have partnered with Zeelool, so thank you so much to them for sending me over these glasses. So before we jump into talking about the glasses that I have to show you guys in today's video and actually trying them on, I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a little bit of background about the brand. So Zeelool is a brand that specializes in glasses, and that includes blue light glasses, prescription glasses, and sunglasses. I also forgot to mention they have reading glasses, and I love that they have something for everyone. So they have glasses for kids, they have glasses for women and men. Zeelool offers so many unique and stylish glasses at an affordable price. There are literally over 2,000 styles to choose from, so you'll never get bored. This is the box that they came in. I love the blue packaging, you guys, and this is what the actual glasses come in, and I love how they have their logo on the outside of it, and this is like a baby blue packaging. I'm not sure if you guys can tell on camera, but it's baby blue. And then they also give you these cloths as well to actually clean the glasses. Let's hop into the first pair. I'm excited. So this is pretty much what the first pair look like, you guys. These are just some clear glasses. Let me go ahead and take, ooh, I love these. Oh my gosh, let me take all of the plastic, all of this off, girl. We need the full effect. Here we go. Wow, these are super pretty. I love how minimal these are. I love how simple they are. Just a really pretty, clear, clean lens. Nothing too crazy. I love how they're silver on the side. These are just really pretty. Like these, nice and simple. And I absolutely love a good cat eye. If you know, then you know. I feel like they frame my face really well. There are literally so many different styles to choose from. So whether you like cat eye, whether you like rectangle, square, oval, circle, there's so many different shapes, so many different patterns, so much to choose from, you guys. Like, you literally will get lost on the website trying to find the perfect glasses. So this is the first pair. Cute, love it. Let's move on to the next pair. I love how all of their glasses come nicely packaged, you guys, so they literally will not get messed up. I like how these are super bendy too. Wow, without breaking. And I can fit them over my baby hairs, because if you know, then you know, my girl. Cute. These are giving nude moment. Super pretty, super minimal as well. So if you like to wear like a lot of patterns and stuff like that, I think these will be really good, nice and simple, and they literally go with everything. And these frames are literally huge. I actually do like them. They're more of like a squoval or a square type of frame, but I really do like them, and they look super pretty with my hair up and my hair pulled back. It's giving smart, it's giving educated, it's giving that girl. Very much so. Let's go ahead and move on to the next pair. These are really pretty, really cool, and they're definitely different from me. So let's see what they give. Oh wow, these are so cute. Wow. So these are a circle or a round frame. I love these. I think these are like the most like in your face. I don't really have a whole lot of round or circle frame glasses in general, but these are really, really pretty. Whoa, love these. Get into the details, girl. Yes, absolutely. Love these. These are definitely giving jeans on Friday at work. Here are the next ones, another blue pair. I think that I'm really going to like these. One, because the frame is not like super big, and I have been loving blue, like all shades of blue, girl. And these actually have my prescription in them, and I'm so glad I picked these for my prescription. Like I said, they do have prescription glasses, and unfortunately these are the only ones that have my prescription in them, but these are my favorite. Like, I knew them once I saw them on the website. These are my favorite. I could definitely see me rock these with like a denim on denim look. It's giving teacher bae that I am. Yeah. These are really cute, and I love the cat eye. They fit my face perfect. They're not too big, they're not too small. Super pretty. And y'all can probably see my prescription, girl, and your girl cannot see. You can probably literally see it through the glasses. I'm so serious. These literally have glitter specks in them. Like, seriously, be for real. These are my favorite glasses. No questions about it. And they're my favorite because they also have my prescription. So those days that I want to take a break from actually wearing my contact lenses, these are gonna be perfect. I wish I could actually stand to keep these on longer, but I cannot because I have my contacts in. These are my favorite, hands down. So now for the last pair. This is what the last one looked like. Oh, these are really cute. Super pretty. Let's take the covering off. These are definitely my second runner-up. These are definitely my second favorite. They are square frame. They are a little big, but I really still enjoy them. Like, I like an oversized glasses look sometimes, and these are really cute. I think these are still neutral as well. They go so well with my skin tone, but they also have like a pop of color all in this area. Like, so pretty. I love all of these glasses, you guys. I'll be sure to leave the Zeelool website down below in my description bar, and maybe even a coupon code that you guys can use to check them out. Super affordable, like I said. So many different styles to choose from, and I feel like I showed you guys a good variety in today's video. So like I said, these are the last pair that I have to show you guys. I feel like I did a pretty good job at picking a variety of shapes, styles, and patterns to show you guys what they offer. I'll be sure to link their website down below in my description bar below, as well as a coupon code that you guys can use to shop. And right now they're actually having their Memorial Day sale, so it's literally like the perfect timing. So I'll go ahead and make sure everything is linked down in my description bar. Check that out before you head out, and thank you so much again to Zeelool for partnering with me on today's video. See you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.